Hi, my name is Lito. The topic of our video, iCOLOR pigments for period makeup eyebrows. I know these pigments many years. That company produced the pigments in Latvia, Europe. Order pigments on marylito.com. iCOLOR pigments deep brown. The darkest color in the palette based on the black and yellow. Ideal for bright brunettes with tan and olive skin. Intense cold pigments heals with the color of the bitter chocolate. iCOLOR pigments black and brown. Saturated color. After healing on cold skin gives a soft dark brown shade. Ideal for powder shading. iCOLOR pigment natural brown. A natural grayish brown color of medium saturation. Suitable for all types of technique. The most popular color in the palette, suitable for brunettes. iCOLOR pigment brown. Warm medium saturation brown color. Can be added to brown pigment to give the color a warmer shade. iCOLOR pigment Terra Brown. Earthy brown pigment on a yellow base. Calm medium saturation color. Suitable for powder shading and hairstrokes techniques. iCOLOR pigment Dark Blonde. Soft, slightly warm brown color of medium saturation. Suitable for all PMU techniques. iCOLOR pigment Golden Blonde. The color is based on yellow pigment. Golden blonde can be added to dark colors to reduce the intensity and achieve a lighter color. iCOLOR pigment Bronza. Warm orange corrector. Corrector for unwanted blue and gray shades. You can make several passes with this corrector. On the top you can add one pass of the target color. If you would like to make your pigments warmer, you can add couple drops of corrector. Buy the pigments on marylito.com. If you would like to learn more about PMU, please sign up on my online courses. Thanks for watching, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!